In the previous lecture, we have defined the definition of unit step signal and we have seen three properties of unit impulse signal. Today we will see some more properties of unit impulse signal. Before that, let us revise again the definition of unit impulse signal. The unit impulse signal is represented with del of t. At t is equal to 0, it has an area of 1. So, which is shown like this. So, the mathematical definition of same is written like this: integral minus infinity to infinity del of t dt is equal to 1, which means the area under this impulse is 1 and the impulse will be 0 outside t is equal to 0. So, this is the mathematical meaning of impulse. Now, let us see one more property, that is the fourth property. So, integral minus infinity to infinity del of at minus b dt. So, let us take this. What will be the value of this? So, for this, first integral minus infinity to infinity del of, take a as common. If you take a as common, it will become t minus b by a into dt. So, use this from property 3, since from the property 3, what is the property 3? Del of at is simply written as 1 by magnitude of a into del of t. So that means if 2 or minus 2 is there, you have to take 2. If 3 or minus 3 is there, you have to take 3 only. So that means this is the meaning of this. So apply this property here. So that means you can write a outside, and what will be the remaining? Del of t minus b by a. So that is what we can write here, integral minus infinity to infinity. This is written from this previous third property, 1 by mod a into, this is written as t minus b by a into dt. So because a is a constant, we can take it outside, 1 by mod integral minus infinity to infinity del of t minus b by a dt. So what is the area? So this impulse exists at t is equal to b by a, and the area under this impulse remain always unity. That means the value of this integral is 1. So therefore, which is nothing but 1 by mod a. Simply the answer is 1 by mod a. So therefore, what we can write it as integral minus infinity to infinity del of at minus b dt. So simply 1 by mod a. So this is the answer for this fourth property. Let us take the fifth property. So if integral minus infinity to infinity x of t function is multiplied with, say, del of at minus b into dt. So in this case, use the same procedure. So that means integral minus infinity to infinity, keep the arbitrary signal x of t. So take a as common in the, okay. So take a as common. So a into t minus b by a into dt. So what is this from property 3? This is written as 1 by integral minus infinity to infinity. This is written as 1 by mod a outside, 1 by mod a outside, x of t into this integral, this del is written as t minus b by a dt. So where this from property 2, so where this impulse exists, t is equal to b by a. That means we have to take this function value at t is equal to b by a. So therefore, what will be the answer? 1 by mod a into x of b by a. So this is the answer for this problem. Just to substitute, whenever an impulse is multiplied by some function, we have to take the function value at which the impulse is existing. So what is we have seen from property 1 and property 2. So therefore, substitute t is equal to b by a here. So x of b by a is the area under this function. So that is what. So let us see the last property. So that is the last property of this impulse function. So let us say property 6. So for example, say integral minus infinity to infinity x of t into del dot of t dt. So the value of this integral, let us find out what is the value of this integral. So for this purpose, first take this x of t as first function and take del of t as second function and apply integral UV rule for this problem. So first function into integration of del dot of t here note that here dot denotes differentiation. Remember that here dot denotes differentiation. That is dot denotes differentiation. So therefore apply UV rule. The first function into integration of del dot of t. Integration differentiation gets cancelled out. You will get del of t. The limits for this we have to substitute minus infinity to infinity, minus, as you know, UV rule, minus differentiation of first function. Differentiation of first function will become x dot of t. X of t differentiation is x dot of t. So minus infinity to infinity. Integration of second function will become del of t dt. As you know that if you substitute del of infinity is 0, as you know that if this impulse existed only t is equal to 0, that means del of infinity is equal to 0. If you substitute lower limit, del of minus infinity will not exist. So this is 0. That means integral minus infinity to infinity x dot of t into del of t dt. So from this, as you know that, so from property 1, this impulse existed at t is equal to 0, substitute 0 here, so therefore what will be the answer? Minus x dot of 0. That means you have to take differentiation of x of t, that will become x dot of t. In that answer substitute t is equal to 0, so that will be the answer for this problem, minus x dot of 0. So these are the very important properties of, unit impulse signal. Definition of unit impulse signal, we have seen 6 properties of unit impulse signal. Thank you.